Hi everyone, this is Cindy from the Heart, and I am back with a card share. So in my last video, we made together this card right here. You're the coolest, and we colored in some Copic penguins. And so with this card, I had used the same products to make 2 other cards, or most of the same products. So for the rest of the cards I'm going to share with you guys, I used the Slice of Summer Echo Park pad, this Taylor Expressions Love and Hugs stamp set and die. Let's see, I used this Heart Bouquet. I did not use this one. I used this instead. But if you don't have this stencil, then you could find something like this, which is like a tree. If you have like a tree stamp set, you could use that, which I had thought I was going to use, but then I found that I actually do have this stencil, which is amazing. I also used this, which I got from AliExpress die. I got this, which is the heart background die from Lawn Fawn, and this Passionate Penguins Plus die from Sunny Studio. So the first card is a slimline card. This is a card that we made together. And this card uses that Heart Bouquet, the Passionate Penguins, and of course that stencil. And so in my previous video, I did show how to make this card and how to color in penguins. But here it is right here. And then I made this card. So this one uses that, some hair right here. This card right here uses that heart background stamp. And I have my Sentiment Sending Love, which is a Tailored Expressions. I have enamel hearts and some jewels, some pearl jewels here, as well as my very cute Passionate Penguin image that I just put on a heart I have in my stash, a heart die I have in my stash. And then I just did a little bit of stitching around the heart just because it needed a little something there. And so to get this look is pretty easy. You just use that heart background die, and then you back it with, this case I backed it with red cardstock. And I love how that one came out. So that was really fun, those 2. And then this one uses this die right here. And what's fun about this die is you could use it, you know, all different ways. You know, you can use it this way or that way, you know. So here we go. I used all these other images that are in that stamp set. I colored it in with my Copics, as you can see. Give you guys a really good look. And then I have it on foam tape, and I just put it in the different squares. And the only, I only kept a couple of squares, the floral, a couple of squares, the floral. The rest I did the red gingham. And I used this stamp and die from Tailored Expressions, and I love how it came out. I think it's a really, really cute stamp set. I'm so glad I got it because I was really coveting it. So these are the 3 cards that I made using that Passionate Penguins stamp set. It's an adorable, adorable set. I've seen some other things that go really well with that set that I really want to get because I love these penguins. They're so cute. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Praying the Heart.